but inside their hearts, I believe that the world is now about to start. So let's make a keep stronger than ever. We want us to be free. We are all one. We are one.
We want peace this Christmas. No more this holiday. Let's be sure the people never forget the fight between their countries. Let's Jesus be the one to guide us as another true star. And may the spirit of peace, man, be always in our hearts.
Eleksyon na naman o kahirap na buhay. Eleksyon na daan, ilan ang kanayaan. Ngayon ay eleksyon, tayo ay magkaisa. Ngayon ay eleksyon, tayo ay magkapatid. Eleksyon, eleksyon, eleksyon na mabuti. Laging araw nating pinakangimiti. Pera, papel, o perang kalapit.
Pero papel gunting.